Alright, what's up, YouTube? RVA Sports Cards back with the first video in a very long time. Thanks to all this COVID mess. As you can see, new phone, better spread on the camera, so you get a little bit of the wrestling, football in the middle, baseball on the left, and then Liv Morgan up there on the top left. But without further ado, only thing around here really to pick up is a couple of these guys. We got three. We're just going to rip into them. I finally had a day off. Feels like the first one in ages. And these have just been set on the desk. So, a little sip of beer there. We're going to get into it. I don't know newer baseball all that well. But it's still opening packs. Gotta love it. I've seen a few videos on these, so I don't know. I'm just excited to see what's in it. Hopefully some Nationals, some Orioles. There's always Griffey. Griffey's my guy from back in the day. This one looks to have an opening day fat pack in it, so we'll do that one last. And we'll just see what we get. So wish me luck. I hope everybody is safe and sound in their respective places as we slowly come out of all this mess. So, first up, our bonus card, BL. So I have no idea what that is. Tops, bat, I don't know, whatever. Alright, so Candelario. Alright, our packs. 2019 opening day. Topps Fire. I always wanted to get a damn blaster of this. And then our hobby is the Pinnacle. Let's go to number 2. Alright, bonus card. That's kind of cool. Bobby Abreu and a Chipper Jones. Card Supial. It's cool. Collected Chipper back in the day. And then another 2019 opening day. Another hobby of, I think it's 2013 Pinnacle. And cool, a Heritage Baseball. And then whoa, we are loaded in here. Look at this. Alright, Michael Brantley. For the Astros. There's cheating Astros. Alright, we got a value pack of opening day. 2019 opening day, retail, and what is this guy? Panini Hometown Heroes. Look for on-card signatures. So I guess this is... It doesn't say hobby. I don't know. We'll open that last. I've never seen that before. So let's do the opening day. Get that out of the way here. Oh, my boy Rendon right off the bat. I'm on to see. Got a rookie, Josh James. Ronald Acuna, 150 years of fun. Anniversary card. Derek Dietrich. Nick Castellanos. And a David Price. Alright, Rendon, favorite one out of that pack. Ooh. Alright. Estudio. We got Cabrera. Strazzy. Opening day Orioles. Oh man, getting lucky with my two teams. Trevor Bauer. Kevin Guzman. Blake Trinan. Next pack, we got Mike Trout. I know that's a good one. Ed Rosario. Brad Boxberger. Love that name. Opening day, Cincinnati. I've watched a few ball games there. Max Kepler. Sandy Alcantara. And a Mark Trumbo. All right, fat pack. 24 cards. I don't think we're looking for anything special in here. Look for autograph and relic cards. Yeah, we'll see. All right, Santana, Nola, Mookie Betts, Tanaka, Schwab, Carlos Martinez, Corey Kluber, Chu Shin Su, another Trout, Joe Morgan, 150 years of fun, Diamondbacks mascot, another Reds ballpark card, Perez, Eddie Rosario, John Lester, Kevin Pillar, German Marquez, Garrett Cole, now a Yankee, Gurriel, Suarez, Bieber, Franco, and Corey Seager. So nothing cool out of that one. But adding a few more Nats cards to the collection. Pretty sweet. All right, let's do... I don't know. I'm going to do these first just because I've seen a ton of them. It's our best chance, I guess, for an auto. All right, Tim Lincecum. C.J. Wilson. Johnny Cueto. I do have something in here. Got a die cut, position powers. Oh, there is a Griffey in there. Ryan Braun. That's a cool little card. All right, Jose Reyes. Evan Gattis rookie card. Griffey's gonna give us this guy, a Troy Tulowitzki. Clear vision. It's pretty cool. Not numbered or anything, but I like the design. And then we actually pulled a Griffey. I've got about 400 of his cards, and I do not have this one. So, very nice. All right, next pack of Pinnacle. Carlos Pena, Matt Cain, David Price, Matt Moore, Justin Upton behind the numbers, another Griffey. Not bad. Back in the day as a kid, I would have flipped out. Oh, wait, who's that rookie? Adam Eaton. I think that's a good one. All right. We'll go Heritage. All right. Robbie Ray. Louis Castillo. Nate Jones. Danny Duffy. Bogarts. Go with that. Oh. Fultonowitz. All right, new Braves rookies. Ross Stripling and a Jay Bruce. Topps fire. Football and baseball. I love this stuff. I'm going to get a hobby box or something soon, but I just don't really spend money like that on cards. There's a cool Jeter. Lucchesi. Alright, and we got a D. Gordon. Some sort of parallel, I'm assuming. Got a little shine to it. Kramer. Castro. Galvis. Alright, final pack here. Panini Hometown Heroes 2013. Let's hope something cool's in here. These do have a cool look to them. I'm going to bring it a little closer for you. Jeter, Henderson. Ricky Henderson's another one I got a ton of cards of. Cleon Jones, Matt Williams, Harvey, Walton, Matt Cain, Mickey Templeton with that weird stance, Jack Clark, Tim Salmon, Raja, Max Scherzer, I'll take that, Bernansky, Oscar Gamble, Gary Gaetti, Ryan Sandberg, the Rhino. A bunch of my friends thought he was God's gift there. All right, so we got a New York stamp on that one. Must be a parallel of some kind. Albert Pujols, Paul Konerko, Bob Horner, Harold Baines, and Houston Street. All right, well, not a whole lot out of that, but I can't really expect too much from Walgreens. But yeah, it's good to sit down and actually open some cards. They've been sitting here for a little while. I'll get all this cleaned up. I've got a couple more videos I want to make here soon. As soon as this COVID thing dies down, I am in desperate need of a vacation, so we'll do a staycation. And hopefully open some of this stuff up. I got some more football coming. Just a blaster, rookies and stars. I got some more prime packs for football, baseball. I picked up one of these stupid World's Greatest Card Chase. I know there's not a whole lot in this stuff, but it's packs to open. Got excited. Gypsy Queen thing I picked up somewhere, either Walgreens or Target. Got a couple value boxes, Don Russ and Topps, and these were marked down half off, so I picked them up. See what hell maybe we can get in there. So that's gonna do it for today. Happy ripping, and I'll see you in the next video soon.